Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Today, we're diving into the process of replacing the battery in your HP 15s-fq laptop. Make sure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic prying tool, and an anti-static wrist strap for safety. Let's get started. First, power off your laptop completely and unplug it from any power source. It's essential to avoid any electrical hazards during this process. Once it's powered down, flip the laptop over to access the battery compartment. You'll notice several screws securing the back panel. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws and place them in a small container to avoid losing them. There are typically 5 screws to remove. After removing the screws, use your plastic prying tool to gently lift the back panel off. Start at one corner and slowly work your way around. Take your time here to prevent any damage to the casing. Once the back panel is removed, you'll see the battery. It's usually secured with a couple of screws. Again, use your Phillips screwdriver to remove these screws. Remember to keep track of all screws as you go along. Next, carefully disconnect the battery connector from the motherboard. This may require a gentle pull. Be cautious not to use excessive force, as this could damage the connector. If you're unsure about handling this part, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring you can get expert help if needed. Now, with the old battery removed, it's a good time to clean the internals of your laptop. Use a can of compressed air to blow out any dust or debris that may have accumulated. This will help improve the laptop's performance and cooling efficiency. After cleaning, take your new battery and align it with the connector on the motherboard. Press down gently to secure it in place. Once it's connected, secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Before replacing the back panel, it's crucial to ensure that everything is in place. If you find that you don't have the tools, don't worry. We offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you can get everything sorted without any hassle. No calls, no travel, just convenience at your doorstep. Now, carefully place the back panel back onto the laptop. Make sure it fits snugly and all clips are engaged. Reinsert the screws you removed earlier, tightening them securely but avoid over-tightening, which could damage the casing. Finally, flip the laptop back over, plug it in, and power it on. If the laptop starts up successfully, congratulations! You've successfully replaced your HP 15s-fq battery. If you encounter any issues during this process, remember we provide a quote before repair, ensuring transparency with our services. And there you have it. A step-by-step guide to replacing your laptop battery. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to check out our other videos for more tech tips and tricks. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.